Good morning, students. Welcome to class 6, subject mathematics, chapter 14, practical geometry, summary lecture. This is your summary lecture. In this lecture, we will revise all the concepts that we have done in this. What we have done in this chapter, we learn construction of a circle when the length of its radius is known. Next we have done a line segment of given length. How to construct a line segment of given length. After that, a copy of a line segment. After that, constructing an angle of given measures by protractor, then copy of angle, bisector of an angle, and constructing angle of special measures such as 60 degree, 30 degree, 120 degree, 90 degree. All these concepts we have done in this chapter, which we are going to revise today. Let's start with first topic, that is construction of circle when its radius is known to us. That is, suppose radius is given to us r centimeter. So how we will do the construction of a circle? First of all, we will mark a point O as the center of the circle. Here we have marked the point O. Now open the compass of radius 3 centimeter. Be ready with your scale and compass. Open your compass of radius 3 centimeter. Place the pointer of the compass at O and swing your compass slowly to draw the circle. Required circle of radius 3 centimeter is ready. In this way, we can draw the circle when the radius is known to us. Next topic is to draw a line segment of given length. Suppose we have to construct a line segment of 7 centimeter. Okay, any line segment we have to construct of 7 centimeter. How we will do it? First of all, we will draw a line L. This is your line L. Mark a point A on it. This is point A. Now open compass of radius 7 centimeter as we have to construct a line segment of 7 centimeter. So we will open our compass of radius 7 centimeter. Place the pointer of the compass at A and draw an arc which cut line L at B. This AB is equal to 7 centimeter. Okay. Now third topic is a copy of line segment. Okay. Suppose we have to draw the copy of line segment. How we will do that? Draw a line segment PQ whose length we don't know. Now we are making a copy of line segment. Draw a line segment PQ. I have not measured its length. what is its length. Okay. Now place one end of the compass at P like this and other end at Q, or we can say open your compass equal to length PQ. Fine. Now draw a line L mark a point A on it. Place the pointer of the compass, don't change the setting of the compass. Place the pointer of the compass at A and draw an arc which cut line L at B. This line segment AB is the copy of PQ. You can check it also. PQ is of 6.3 centimeter. Now measure AB. It is also of 6.3 centimeter. Next topic was constructing perpendicular to a line through a point on it. When a point is given on the line, draw a line L, mark a point P on it. Now with P as a center and taking suitable radius, draw an arc which cut line L at 2 points A and B. With A and B as a center and taking radius more than half of AB. Now you will open your compass more than half of AB. So with A and B as a center and taking radius more than half of AB, draw two arcs, one from A and one from B, which cut each other at Q. Join PQ. PQ is perpendicular to line L. This is how we will draw a perpendicular when the point is given to us on the line. Now we will see how to construct a perpendicular when point is not on the line. Constructing perpendicular to a line through a point not on it. How we will construct? Draw a line L. Mark a point P outside line L. Now this point is not on line L, outside the line L. Now with L as a center, P as a center and taking suitable radius, draw an arc which cut line L at 2 points, say A and B. Okay? P पे हमने कंपास रखा और इस तरीके से आंक लगाया that it will cut line L at 2 points A and B. Now open your compass more than half of AB and draw two arcs, one from A and one from B, which cut each other at Q. And you have to draw these arcs on the other side of point P. Join PQ. PQ is perpendicular to AB. Or we can say PQ is perpendicular to line L. These are the steps of construction of this. Draw a line L and mark a point P on it. With P as a center and taking suitable radius, draw an arc to cut line L at 2 points A and B. With A and B as a center and taking radius more than half of AB, draw two arcs which cut each other at Q on the other side of point P. Join PQ. PQ is perpendicular to line L. Next topic that we have done is to construct a perpendicular bisector with ruler and compass. Draw a line segment AB of any length or of that length whose perpendicular bisector you have to draw. Sometimes it is given in the question that draw a line segment of 10 centimeter and construct its perpendicular bisector. Then you have to draw a line segment AB of 10 centimeter. Okay, so here we are draw a line segment AB of any length with A as a center and taking radius more than half of AB, draw arc on each side of AB. Let me tell you how. This is one line segment AB, yes. Now with A as a center and taking radius more than half of AB. This is more than half of AB. Now draw two arcs. One arc from here and one here on both sides of line segment AB. Same you will do now with B. Now with B as a center, draw two more arcs which cut the previous arcs at point C and D. Join C and D. CD is perpendicular bisector of AB. Next, constructing angle of given measure by protractor. Okay, suppose the question is to construct an angle of 40 degree with the help of protractor. How you will do that? Draw a line segment AB. First of all, you need to draw a line segment. Place the center of the protractor at A. This is the center of the protractor. This you will place at A. And zero edge along AB. This is the zero edge. Okay. This you will place along AB. AB के ऊपर आनी चाहिए exactly. Now start with A with 0 which is near to B. Now see this 0 is near to B. 1 0 is on the other side also. See, here is also 1 0. But we will not see this 0 degree. We will see this 0 because this is near to AB. Okay, near to B. So start from 0, 10, 20, 30, 40. Mark one point here. Give it name C. Join AC. Angle CAB is equal to 40 degree. In the same way, we can draw angle of other measurement also. Next is to draw a copy of an angle. Given an angle A whose measurement we don't know, okay, and we have to draw the copy of that. See how we will draw? First of all, we will draw one angle A. This is angle A. Now we have to make the copy of this angle. Okay, this angle is given to us. Draw a line L. Mark a point P on it. Now place the pointer of the compass at A and draw an arc to cut rays of angle A at 2 points, A and B. This is angle A. Okay, we have drawn an arc in such a way that it cut rays of angle A at point B and C. Now, with the same radius, we have not changed the compass of the setting. With P as a center, draw one arc here also. सेम ऐसे ही हमने यहाँ से A से बनाई थी और उसी रेडियस से हमने P से बनाई. Now open your compass equal to length BC. With this point, give it name Q. With Q as a center and taking radius equal to BC, draw one arc which cut the previous arc. Give this name R. Join RP. This angle RPQ is the copy of angle BAC. You can check it by measuring it with the help of protractor. Let's measure. It is angle A is of 54 degree. Okay, not exactly 55. Now measure angle B also, angle P also. See, this is also not exactly 55, 54 degree, 53 or 54. Okay. This is the steps of construction, how we have drawn this copy of angle A. Now see, bisector of an angle. Okay, sometimes it is given that draw an angle of 60 degree and then bisect it, or draw its axis of symmetry, meaning is same. That means you have to draw the bisector. So how you will do? See the steps. Draw angle A of measurement whose bisector have to drawn. So if we have to draw the bisector of 60 degree, then first of all we will draw one angle A of 60 degree. Now with A as a center and taking radius, suitable radius, draw an arc to cut both rays of angle A at B and C. Open your compass of suitable radius, draw one arc like this, which will cut rays of angle A at point B and C. Now open your compass more than half of BC. Draw one arc from B and another arc from C, which cut each other at point D. Join AD. AD is the bisector of angle A. Okay. Now next is to construct the angle of some special measures. Let it be 60 degree. How to construct an angle of 60 degree with the help of ruler and compass. First of all, draw any ray OA. This is very important topic. Draw a ray OA with O as a center and any suitable radius. Draw an arc to cut OA at C. O as a center, taking suitable radius, Draw an arc to cut OA at C. Now with the same compass setting, I have not changed the compass setting. With C as a center, draw one more arc which cut the previous arc at D. Join OD. Join OD. This angle DOA is 60 degree. Okay. And if we will cut it one more time, like this, हमें इस आँख को बड़ा बनाना पड़ेगा और हमने 60 से with 60 degree, if we will cut it one more time, it will become the angle of 120 degree. दो बार 60 से कट हो गया, so it will become the angle of 120 degree. And how we will construct the angle of 30 degree? This is 60 degree and 30 degree is half of 60 degree. So construct its bisector. Open it half of CD. Open your compass half of CD. Draw one arc from C and one arc from D. Join it. Give it name. So angle EOC equal to 30 degree. And if we will make the bisector of this, हमने इस पॉइंट को भी अगर हमने नाम दे दिया पॉइंट F, तो और अगर हम FC का बाइसेक्टर बना दें, अगर हम FC का मोर देन हाफ लें और यहाँ पे बाइसेक्टर बना दें इसका, सो इट विल बिकम हाफ ऑफ 30 डिग्री. 30 डिग्री के हाफ एंगल बन गया. डैट मीन्स इट विल बिकम द एंगल ऑफ 15 डिग्री. जॉइन इट. और ये बन गया 15 डिग्री का. ओके. नाउ सी हाउ वी विल कंस्ट्रक्ट द एंगल ऑफ 90 डिग्री. Draw any line L, mark a point O on it with O as a center and taking suitable radius, draw an arc to cut line L at A and B. Okay, this is a straight line and you know the measure of straight line is 180 degree. और आपको कितने डिग्री का एंगल बनाना है? 90 डिग्री का. So 90 degree is the half of 180 degree. That means now you will draw the bisector of 180 degree. So open your compass more than half of AB. Draw one arc from A, another arc from B, which cut each other at C. Join OC. This angle COB is 90 degree. और अगर हम CB का बाइसेक्टर बना दें, ओके, ओपन योर कंपास मोर देन हाफ ऑफ CB, one arc from B and one arc from C, then it will be of 45 degree because 45 degree is half of 90 degree. Now let's discuss the homework solution of lecture number 3, that is exercise 14.6. Your question number 1 was, draw angle POQ of measure 75 degree and find its line of symmetry. So this angle for 75 degree you have to draw with protractor and then you have to draw the bisector of that. Second was, draw an angle of measure 147 degree and construct its bisector. Same question. Third, draw an right angle and construct its bisector. Right angle you know, that is 90 degree. Same. Now first of all see question number 6. Draw an angle of measure 45 degree and bisected. This is also same. 7th, draw an angle of measure 135 degree and bisected. So all these questions are same. Question number 1, 2, 3, 6 and 7. You have to draw the angle with the help of protractor and then you have to bisect it. Okay. Now I am going to tell you question number 4. Draw an angle of measure 153 degree and divide it into 4 equal parts. See, this is angle AOB equal to 153 degree, as we have to divide 153 degree into 4 equal parts. This we have drawn with the help of protractor. Now you have to draw bisector of this angle O. Okay. How we will draw the bisector? That you know. Open your compass of suitable measurement. Draw an arc which cut both the rays of the angle O at 2 points. Okay. Let us give it name PQ. Now open your compass more than half of PQ. Draw one arc from Q and one arc from P, which cut the previous arc at C. Join OC. This is the angle bisector. We have divided the angle 153 degree into 2 parts. But in this question, we have to divide it into 4 parts. So now we will open our compass more than half of this angle. Draw one arc from Q and one arc from this point. Same we will do here also in the second half. One arc from here and one arc from P, so that it will cut the previous arc. Give them name D, E. Now join them. Join OE and OD. Now see, this angle 153 degree has been divided into 4 equal parts. These are the 4 equal parts. You can check it by measurement also. Now see question number 8 of your exercise 14.6. Draw an angle of 70 degree. Make a copy of it using only a straight edge and compass, means scale and compass, that you can draw. I have told you how to do the copy, how to make the angle of a copy of an angle. We have done now 40 degree. 9th, draw an angle of 40 degree and copy its supplementary angle. First of all, what are supplementary angles? Supplementary angles are those angles whose sum is 180 degree. So you have to draw the angle of 180 degree minus 40 degree. 180 degree minus 40 degree, that is 140 degree. You have to draw an angle of 40 degree. Okay, and then you have to make the copy of 140 degree. Okay, how you will do that? Now this I will tell you. This is question number 9. First of all, draw an angle AOB equal to 40 degree with the help of protractor. Now draw a line PQ. This is your line. PQ. Mark a point M on it. Here I have marked a point M. Okay, it's not visible. See, this is your line PQ and here I have marked a point M. Now place the compass at O and draw an arc to cut the rays of angle AOB at 2 points L and N. You will place the pointer at O. Okay, draw an arc like this which will cut both the rays at N and L. Now with the same compass setting, draw one arc with M in the same way. Okay, open your compass now equal to length LN. Now with this point, let us give it name X. Now with X point, draw an arc which cut the previous arc at Y. Join MY. This we have drawn the copy of angle AOB. If this is 40 degree, the leftover angle is of 140 degree. And we have to make the copy of angle of supplementary angle. Okay, so 40 degree angle and this is 140 degree angle and this we have to make. Now your homework is to do the assignment. Okay.